Problems involving jobs sometimes are called shared work problems, usually translated into an equation involving a rational expression. There's a basic idea to setting up equations is to represent what part of the job is done in 1 unit of time. This is considered the rate at which the job gets done. For example, if a car can get detailed in 4 hours, then 1/4 of the job gets done in 1 hour. To solve problems involving work, determine the rate and multiply by the amount of time spent getting the job done. Here's a formula you might want to use to set up your equations. T for the total time it takes them together, divided by part done by one person, plus that total time together, divided by another part from the other person, so that they can get one job done. T stands for the total time working together, P is the time it takes the first person to get the job done, and Q is the time it takes the second person to get the job done. Let's look at an example. Zoe, an experienced shipping clerk, can fill a certain order in 5 hours. Willie, a new clerk, needs 9 hours to complete the same job. Working together, how long will it take them to fill the order? So to set up this problem, we're going to use this formula. The question is, how much time together will it take them to fill the order? So we don't know that time together, but I do know that Zoe can do it in 5 hours. And I don't know that time together, but Willie can do it in 9 hours. And they're going to get that one job done. Now to solve this rational equation, we need that LCM. We need to clear out the fractions. We can multiply each term in the problem by that LCM, which happens to be 45, 9 times 5. We'll reduce. 9 goes into 45 5 times, and 5 goes into 45 9 times, which leaves us with 9t plus 5t equals 45. Combining like terms, we get 14t equals 45. Multiplying both sides of the equation by 1 over 14, we have the time it takes them working together to be 45 fourteenths, or about 3.2 hours. So we always need to answer our word problem. With words, we have working together, it will take about 3.2 hours. And it's real important to include that unit of measure so I know what you're talking about. This 3.2 isn't money or something, it's hours.